Retirement? Retirement is strictly a financial decision. We are alive and well in Phoenix, Arizona. Business is excellent. The real estate rentals are still an incredibly compelling investment. And if you're looking to retire, this gives you an absolute incredible opportunity for you to earn income and to earn capital gains and true wealth. Things are going our way. Now, we have a big presence here in Phoenix, Arizona. We have for many, many years. We are right next door to California, and Californians are leaving California by the thousands. Now, they're leaving the high taxation, they're leaving the crime, they're leaving all that population, and we're getting people who are tradesmen, we're getting people with high tech. We have tremendous amount of new tech happening here in Phoenix, Arizona. We just got the Taiwan Semiconductor is building 8 chip plants in North Phoenix. Intel just announced 2 more chip plants. We've got the F-35 fighter wing has moved to Luke Air Force Base, bringing in billions and billions of dollars of new revenue with all the support that goes on for that air wing. And we have population over 100,000 each and every year coming here. What a great place to invest. Now look at this. In the last 12 months, Phoenix has led the nation in the appreciation. Over 33%, almost 3% a month. And I'm going to tell you, here it is in October. I don't see any abatement. Things are really, really good. We're seeing in the entry level, which is now, if you can believe that, it's pushing $400,000 to get an entry level home. We can still find them in the $350,000 range. Those homes are renting in our business for close to $2,000 a month and having absolutely no trouble getting that whatsoever. People want to move here, and we just have a housing and rental shortage. We cannot fill all the demand that we have, and most of this is coming from California. I think we have about 7,000 a month that are coming just from California. We have another 7,000 coming from places like Washington State, Portland, Oregon. We have a lot coming from Minnesota, Chicago. Chicago is a really, really big one. And of course, we have an awful lot coming from Wisconsin. So a lot of Midwest coming here because this is a decades-long trend. It's just a great place for you to invest. Now, we've been talking about retirement. You need to find a vehicle that's going to work for you. You need to have a vehicle that's going to give you consistent increase because it compounds. So you want something that's going to give you as good a return as you possibly can. Now, there's precious few investments that we on Main Street can make. I mean, we're not on Wall Street, we're on Main Street. So the Wall Streeters can go borrow billions of dollars in a bond offering, for 1 or 2%. We just can't do that. The best we can do to borrow money is to get a 30-year fixed rate mortgage and let someone else pay that off for us. It's just been a very, very compelling investment. It's worked for years and years and years, and it's going to continue doing that because the trend is in place. Now, just got this from Zero Hedge. Now, you've been hearing the fact from a lot of pundits that prices have just skyrocketed. Homes are going up, and it's getting scary, and prices are going to collapse, and we're going to have decline. I see no such thing. I see absolutely no evidence of any of that. If nothing else, I think prices are going to continue to go higher, and are going to keep pressing higher. Now, we're looking at a median home price of $408,000. I think that you're going to see maybe in a year or two, $500,000. I think prices are going to go considerably higher from here. The median home price across America is $408,800. The average price, of course, that gets skewed by a lot of these multi-million-dollar homes, is $451,000. So it's considerably higher. Now, we've been seeing this continue going up and up and up. I see no abatement by that. I think it's fine to get in the water. I think it's a great place for you to invest. It's one of those few places that we, as the average investor, average worker, average business owner, that can get and buy a property investment that's going to give us capital gains because these prices are going up. It's a great inflation hedge, just a terrific inflation hedge. So this is a decade-long trend, and I think prices are going to go considerably higher because I think that my timing model, which is, it's a model, so this is a stylized version of it. It's not the proprietary one, but it gives you a really good idea. I think we're right here, just about in the middle of the accumulation phase. I think we have a long ways to go, just a really, really long ways for prices to go and rents to go, and I think fortunes can be made, particularly here in Arizona with all the Californians that are leaving, because we have people that are working remote. They can come here, they can actually buy a home here on a single family lot with a backyard and a good school district close to freeways and transportation, like $400,000. This is such a great deal. Some places in Scottsdale are $600,000, $700,000, $800,000, but what a wonderful place to live. And I think we're going to go up here. We got a long ways to go. We got a number of years to go, and I see nothing that's going to jeopardize this. You can always have a black swan event. You can have a Mad Max event. But on my timing model, which has been fairly accurate, now nothing says that it has to remain accurate, but it's correctly identified the last two corrections. Identify them as great buying opportunities. Right on time tells when we're going into it, when we're coming out of it. This is a cycle, so we have a completion. We're going to make a lot of money between now and then. I'm here in Arizona as a licensed real estate agent. Been here for 4 decades. West USA is a $5.4 billion firm. They do our paperwork, do all the back office work for us. You can reach me at this phone number. If you're learning about investing, if you just want to start investing in real estate and you're a beginner, the Real Estate Investing for Beginners is absolutely for you. It's going to teach you about savings, it's going to teach you about budgeting, it's going to talk about financing. If you need to reach me, it's Michael at michaeldouville.com. I'm more than happy to talk with you, talk with your spouse, talk to your financial advisor. We want you to have a wonderful retirement, and we want you to retire when you want to retire.